Hi, my name is Kim Hopkins. I'm the owner of a 30-person electrical contracting company in Los Angeles, and I also own an internet marketing company called Happy Contractor, which helps other contractors around the country to succeed with their internet marketing. And by success, I mean attracting a lot of new customers to your company and consequently producing a lot more income for your company. So if this is of interest to you, why don't you come with me? I'm going to go to my computer and I'm going to show you exactly what internet marketing success for contractors looks like. I'm going to use my own Los Angeles electrical contracting company as an example of how to succeed with internet marketing. So when people want an electrician in Los Angeles, the #1 search term they type in is electrician Los Angeles. And when they do, what they get is 4 ads from Google, then there's a map, and then there's what's called organic, and that's 10 listings. Then there's some more ads, and then there's page numbers where you can go deeper and deeper looking for what you're looking for. So basically, of the ads, what's interesting is the paid ads, basically only 10% of people that go to this page will click on one of these ads. 90% of people will click on the organic listings. So it's very important to be in the organic listings. And I'll point out that my company is, the Electric Connection, is #1 on the first page of Google. And by the way, there's 33,700,000 results for this particular search term, which I happen to know is in all of the United States, if not the world, that this city is the hardest to get to be #1 on. It has the most competitiveness. So basically, when people go organically and they see that website, they go to my website. So that's basically how it works for that particular search term. But other things happen. Like suppose I want contractors all over the country to succeed by having their main services that they succeed with the most and make the most profit with also featured. So in electricians, they like house rewiring. There's a lot of money in house rewiring, so when people type in house rewire Los Angeles, here we go, there's an ad, and then there's my company again, Electric Connection, House Rewiring Specialist. And when you click on that, it goes to a different page. It talks all about this, and then typically customers will call my company or contact them by email about doing a house rewire. Another thing that happens is people type in what's called long tail keywords, like what is the cost to rewire a house in Los Angeles? Look at this, house rewiring specialist, Electric Connection. Another thing that happens is people trust Yelp a lot, so they go electrician Los Angeles Yelp. Now when they do that, obviously Yelp is going to come up as the website. They asked for it, so here's electrician Los Angeles Yelp. Here's the best 10 electricians in Los Angeles Yelp. Look at the third one. It's Yelp.com, but they're featuring my company. This is unbelievable. And apparently they think my company is the most relevant in Los Angeles for this search term. And what's amusing to me is how much money people pay Yelp for advertising. I'm not paying a penny. Like Yelp is featuring me above all those advertisers who are paying money in Yelp. So basically, my point is, getting your website on the first page of Google search results is like the holy grail of contractors. And it's how my own contracting company grosses literally millions of dollars a year. It's very important. And there's one other aspect to this, and that's more and more people are using mobile devices. And I want to show you something about that. Okay, so now I want to show you that what happens on a smartphone, because basically not only does your website need to be optimized for laptops and desktops, but these days a lot of people use smartphones to contact companies. So basically they do a Google search, and this time I put in electrician Los Angeles for the Google search. Basically they have 4 ads just like before. Then they have a map, and then these are on the map. Oh look, Electric Connection is twice added to the map here out of 3. Then there's my company #1 on the organic, Electric Connection. So I'll show you what this looks like. It's a different looking website, but it basically has all the same elements that there was before. And basically the idea is as soon as somebody likes this, which they often do, they just touch that and they're going to make a phone call. Now I'm not going to call my own company, but basically If you did, you just call it instead. I'm going to cancel out. But basically, it's important that your website is both optimized for desktop and laptop, and also absolutely smartphone. More and more each year, that's important. I just showed you, using my own electrical contracting company's website as an example, how to achieve internet marketing success. And I want you to know that every Happy Contractor client that we have that follows our program gets onto page 1 with multiple search terms and achieves their own internet marketing success. If you'd like that for your company, I invite you to call the number above or fill out the form below, and we'll be happy to give you a free internet marketing evaluation for your company. Thanks for watching this video, and I wish you every success.